Hello everybody, it's Jamie. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an old timer and been with me for the last 3 years, thank you for returning and sticking with me. So today what we are going to be doing is the savings challenges in my binder book, and we are going to see what we can save today. The farmer's market, I fell in love with it because I need to buy seeds. Well, I got the seeds. I need some other stuff for getting started with my planting of my seeds. Guys, it's February and it is time for me to start my seeds. So I'm all excited about that. So we are going to get started. I am just going to roll the dice for this one. And of course it's going to run over here, and we are going to put in a 2. So I'm just going to write 2. I hope everybody is having a wonderful Sunday. We're starting to get into a cold spell again. Friday night we had a tornado warning in my area, which was a little scary, but of course, you know, us Southerners, we were out looking for it, but thankfully nothing came through. So farmers market's got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 now. So yeah, and my poor dogs, they were scared to death. They were like, no, I don't like thunder. So this one, I use this little dice here, and I did go back and add the ones that didn't come in. So of course what I do is I roll that, and we have a 1, 2, and 3, so that is 6. So we will color in 1, 2, and 3. I like this little challenge here. It's so cute, and I get to use the that die for it. But you know, later on I'll probably come back and add the other $4 to it. I should just put in 10 and say forget it, but I got other challenges I want to get to. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in here we now have, oh, there's a 20. Guys, you all don't know how bad I want to take that 20 and put it over there in Mr. Malvin. Mr. Malvin is my $20 pig that I'm saving to pay off my car. So we have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. That 20 may go in there when I finish this challenge. So the next one, let's see how many we can do with this one, with Easter coming up. So we are going to roll. We have 3. 1, 2, 3. I know I don't have enough to finish it, but I'm going to roll again. And it gets a 3, 2, or 3 again, not 3, 2. 3 again. 1, 2, and 3. So now this Easter has got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So the bottom part has got 17. This one finished out, and I moved it to my 100 envelope challenge, which I took all the money out of the 100 envelope challenge and put it towards a bill. So what do we got left, guys? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go back to this one. Let's see what we can do, because we got money. We have 1, 2, and 3 again. So 1, 2, 3. So that's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What we got left, y'all? 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what? I'm going to go up here and color this 4 in. we'll just go ahead and put it all into the tiger save and see what we can get done. Alright, so now we should have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. We got 36 in this one. I may just go ahead and start just putting 10. Because if you add them all together, it adds up to be 10. So it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20. Be 120 when you finish this one if you do it that way. But, yep, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for sticking around with me. And probably in the next video, you will see another bag full of money. And then probably after that, you'll start seeing me recording me starting the flowers for the greenhouse. So with that said, guys, remember to always wear a smile because your smile can make somebody's day. Bye, guys.